What is good, y'all? What's the business? I ain't seen y'all in a long time. I mean, it's been a minute. It's been like a couple months. For real, for real. Yeah. I'm back though. That's the main point. Like, I went on a little hiatus because I had to deal with some real life stuff. But you know, like I moved. You know, that's a hard task. You finding the crib and all that. You gotta do all that. And then on the top of that, I've been taking this UI UX course, this Google course online, and you know, learning never stops. So I took that course, and I'm gonna tell y'all all about that. That's it's an interesting course, especially for like people who got a graphic design background. But from what I saw, it also like was good for introductory graphic designers too. So I think that it's a good course. Off the top of my head, you know, without going into it too much. But all in all, man, this is a public service announcement telling y'all I'm back. Allow me to reintroduce myself. My name is V. Yeah, for real, I'm back. About to start pumping these videos out again, you know, helping my community, my visionaries. Yeah, I like that. That's what we're gonna call the community, visionaries. Yeah. You know, and we're gonna learn together. I also got some tips from a couple of professionals about how I should integrate more tutorials into my vlogs. Just a couple of how-tos. Now, what I will tell you is, I will start doing more tutorials. Me and my man the same from 80s Babies. We will start doing more tutorials, but the tutorials won't be here. They will be on our 80s Babies page. So go to our 80s Babies page, we got some there already, but 80s Babies, 8ESBABYS. Go to 80s Babies on YouTube. We got tutorials up there already, but I'm gonna revamp a couple of them. We're gonna go into something, because we got something big coming up in the future. So, you know, we're gonna try to get that right for all of my beginners, intermediates, experts, you know, all levels. We're gonna cover all that. But at the end of the day, I'm back. I see y'all when I see y'all. Peace.